Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm excited to share with you a trading journal designed for those who trade options, stocks, and futures within the same account. I often receive requests from traders for a journal that can trade all these three types of trades, and I'm pleased to introduce this improved version of my existing options and stock trading journal. I have previously made a video about options and stock trading journal. I will put the video link in the description section below. Now in this upgraded version, you can also trade futures trades. This journal is designed to help you trade and analyze the performance and statistics of your options, stock, and futures all within the same trading accounts, allowing you to compare their performance over a period of up to 12 months. Before you begin, head to the Start tab and set your starting month and year. The journal will automatically generate a 12-month timeline for your reference. Define your account's initial capital and input out to 30 unique strategies to stay organized and track your performance across different approaches. If English is not your primary language, you can customize some of the labels in this journal to your preferred language by replacing the words in the white cells. Once you finish setting out your journal, you can start inputting your trading data. There is a calculator to help you determine your entry level and position size based on your risk to reward ratio, stop level, and target level. Alternatively, you can use it to calculate your long or short target level based on the risk to reward ratio, stop level, and entry level. Next, we have the point and tip values table, which includes a list of futures products. If the futures product you are trading isn't on the list, you can manually replace some of the symbols and points value with those of your specific futures product. Now I will show you step by step how to input your trading data into the spreadsheet. First, we will start with single leg and multi-leg options. Input the trade number, then select the trade direction from the drop-down list. Next, select option from the drop-down list. Input the stock ticker, select the strategy from the drop-down list, and input the strike price, expiration date, and break-even price at the expiration date. Under the open position section, input the stock price, entry date and time, number of entry position, and net entry price. Remember to put a minus sign in front of the price if you pay a debit to enter the trade. For example, if you are buying a single call or put options, you need to put a minus sign in front of the net entry price to indicate an outflow of money. If you are doing a credit spread like bull put spread, you receive a credit to enter the trade. In this case, simply input the net entry price without a minus sign. Also enter the commission you paid to enter the trade. In the risk management section, input the buying power, which is the amount of money brought by your broker to take the position. This information can be found on your brokerage platform. Next, input your maximum profit and maximum loss of the trade. The green cell on the right will automatically calculate the risk percentage per trade and the risk to reward ratio. After you have closed the position, input the stop price at exit, exit date and time, exit position, and exit price. If you exit the position in multiple stages, input the first, second, and third position and prices in their respective columns. The cell in the green will calculate the average net exit price for you. Remember to put a minus sign if you pay a debit to exit the trade. Finally, input the commission you paid when exiting the trade. Next, I will show you how to input stock and futures trade into the trading journal. First, input the trade number, select the trade direction, and choose stock if you are trading stock, or select the name of the future from the drop-down list. Input the ticker, select the strategy from the drop-down list. And for stock and futures, you can ignore the column for strike price and expiration date. Under open position, input the stock or futures price at entry, entry date and time, and number of entry position and entry commission. If you buy to enter the trade, input the price under buy stock or future. If you sell to enter the trade, input the price under sell stock or future. In the risk management section, input the stop loss and take profit levels, buying power, maximum profit, and maximum loss. After closing the position, enter the stock or futures price at exit, exit date and time, exit position, and exit price. If you exit the trade in multiple stages, you can enter the price and position for each exit point with up to 3 exit position and prices. Input the commission and any dividends received while holding the stock share. The cells in green will automatically calculate the trade duration, profit and loss, return on investment, P&L per day, cumulative P&L, win or loss status, account balance, percentage gain or loss, and drawdown. If you have any funds deposit or withdrawal, you can input them into the trading journal as well. Under the trade number, put a dash so that it will not be counted as a trade. Input the fund deposit or withdrawal date and the amount. Use a minus sign if you withdraw money from the account. All the data in the trading journal will automatically populate in the monthly report, strategy dashboard, ticker dashboard, trading dashboard, and strategy statistic. First, let's look at the monthly report. It shows the monthly statistic based on the trades opened during the selected month. From the drop-down list above, select the month, and all the trades from that month will be listed below. The statistic display include the account, starting and ending balance, total P&L, monthly return, and win rate. The graph shows the account balance, total P&L by ticker, strategy performance in terms of P&L, as well as cumulative P&L and account drawdown. The strategy performance overview shows you how each strategy performs, providing statistics for each strategy so you can see which ones are working well and which may need improvement. Simply select the name of the strategy from the drop-down list above, and all the trades associated with that strategy will be listed in the table below. The statistics include total profit or loss, average win or loss, largest win or loss, win rate, and average time in trade. The charts display total P&L of each ticker when using the strategy. If you want to check the statistic of a certain stock while using the selected strategy, simply click on the filter icon, uncheck all the ticker, and select the ticker you want to analyze. This will show the statistic for trading that specific stock or ticker using the selected strategy. Next, the strategy statistics section shows you the monthly total return on investment for each strategy, highlighting the best performing and worst performing strategy in terms of return on investment percentage. Moving on to the ticker dashboard, you can analyze the trade summary and statistic by selecting either options, stock, futures, or individual ticker. All the trade associated with the selected ticker will be listed in the table below. For example, when you select options, all the options trades will be listed below. The same applies to stock, futures, and the individual stock ticker. The P&L charts on the right will show you the total P&L by strategy and total P&L by ticker. Lastly, my favorite part of the journal is the main trading dashboard. It provides a comprehensive overview of your account's trading activity over 12 months period. It displays your account summary including starting and ending balance, total P&L, win rate, total ROI percentage, and key account statistics such as average win and loss, largest win and loss, maximum consecutive wins and losses, and average time in trade. The pie chart illustrates the trade performance, showing the number of winning or losing trades, as well as long or short trades. The table below presents monthly trade statistics including profit and loss, ROI percentage, and number of winning and losing trades. The graph on the right gives you an overall view of your trading performance over the entire period. It shows account balance reflecting the total value of the account at a given point in time, account drawdown indicating the maximum loss incurred, and cumulative P&L displaying the net profit or loss accumulated over time. Additionally, you can view the overall performance of individual ticker and trading strategy to understand how specific stocks and strategy have contributed to the account's overall performance, as well as monthly performance in terms of ROI, profit and loss, and winning and losing trades. In conclusion, using a trading journal can greatly enhance your ability to analyze trades and boost your trading performance over time. Personally, I have relied on a trading journal since day one, and it has helped me identify both my strengths and weaknesses, enabling me to make necessary adjustments and refine my trading approach. By providing detailed statistics on your strategy and trading activity, a trading journal allows you to learn from past experiences and fine-tune your trading plan. I highly recommend you use this trading journal if you are serious about improving your trading performance. Thanks for watching until the end. Do check the link in the description or comment section below to find out more about these options, stock and futures trading journal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.